So, good morning everybody. As a part of exponents, we learned many things in the previous classes, and we are discussing different types of problems from the last three classes. And these are very special problems, right? See, to find the required values using the given exponents, we need to use all the laws of exponents along with our logical approach. Initially, we need to make a plan and then we need to find the values of the required using the given exponents, right? And these are the Olympiad level problems, and very rarely you will observe these problems in the books. Okay, I think so. See, you won't get these problems in any book. Okay, right? You just think about these problems, and if you are able to solve these type of problems confidently, then it is okay for exponents. Then it is enough for exponents. Okay. First of all, think about this 23rd A. As we mentioned here, 30 power A is equals to 3, 30 power B is equals to 5. Then we need to find the value of 30 to the power 3 into 1 minus A minus B. These two are given, and we need to find this particular value, right? Yeah. So for that, initially always we need to make this 1 minus A minus B. See, this type of problems depends on a plan, and initially our plan is to prepare this 1 minus A minus B from the given two exponential equations. We call them as exponential equations, right? Yeah. See, 30 power A, 30 power B, and what we need to find this 30 power 3 into 1 minus A minus B. So this problem is bit simple when compare these two, and I will give you two more different and difficult problems as 24 and 25. Okay. First of all, see, I will start with this 30 to the power 3 into 1 minus A minus B can be written as 30 to the power 1 minus A minus B whole to the power 3. Is it right? Right. See, A power m power n, if you multiply these two, that is equals to this 30 power 3 into 1 minus A minus B. And this is equals to 30 to the power 1 minus A minus B. And you know that A power m minus n is A power m by A power n. In the same way, this 1 is positive minus A and minus B. This can be written as 30 power 1 divided by 30 power A into 30 power B, and the whole thing divided power 3. Observe this, 30 power A by minus A, so you get 30 power A in the denominator, minus B, so you will get 30 power B in the denominator. It can be written as like this, just by the laws of exponents. A power m plus n as A power m plus m into n, A power m into A power n, whereas A power m minus n as A power m by A power n. With the help of those two, we can rewrite this like this. Okay, and now this is equals to 30 power 1 is simply 30, and whereas 30 power A is given as 3, and 30 power B we have 5, so whole thing is divided by 3. No, power 3. And now 30 divided by 3 into 5 is 15, 30 divided by 15 is 2, and this is equals to 2 cube, and your answer for the problem is 8. There ends the task. So here we need to find the value of this 30 power 3 into 1 minus A minus B, and we have this 30 power A and 30 power B. Using these two, we need to find out that particular value, or we need to rewrite, we need to convert the given 30 power 3 into 1 minus A minus B with the involvement of these two. Okay, just have a look. So, just it is completely magic of algebra of see, laws of exponents. From here we are using A power mn formula, A power m to the power n, and here we are using A power m minus n formula, A power m by A power n. Okay, okay, that thing. See, this is it is looking like m, and this is minus A minus B, right? So minus n, you will write it like A power m by A power n. With that logic, I just rewrite this 30 power 1 minus A minus B like that, and by using the given exponential values, at the end our answer is 8. Okay. Okay. Then think about b bit of this 23. Here 10 power a is given as 3 and 10 power b is given as 2. Our target is to find this particular value, 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b. Okay, it is a somewhat different problem when compared with 23a. There we found the value directly, but here there is no chance to find its value directly. First of all, we need to prepare this 1 minus b. Okay, I have 10 power b as 2, I need 1 minus b. Okay, how to get that 1 minus b? Since here I have 10 power b, I need 1 minus b, so we need to do like this. Okay, you have to start with 10 power 1 minus b. For sure you will get a value for 10 power 1 minus b, and we are searching for that particular value. 10 power 1 minus b can be written as 10 power 1 by 10 power b, and that is equals to 10 power 1 is 10, 10 power b is 2. 10 by 2 is how much? 5. 10 power b is given as 2. I need this particular value. There 1 minus b is involved. So I need to prepare that 1 minus b using this 10 power b. In the way of preparation, I am starting my discussion with 10 power 1 minus b. I got its value as 5. So finally what I have? Therefore, 10 power 1 minus b is equals to 5. Is it right? But when you observe this particular thing, I need 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b. That in the sense, a plus b by 1 minus b. This 1 minus b is there in the denominator, right? So since 10 power 1 minus b is equals to 5, you just send this power 1 minus b to that side. We discussed the 10th roots. If you send power to the other side, it will become its reciprocal. So that implies 10 is equals to 5 to the power 1 minus b. Is it right? Very simple logic, right? Already I mentioned you in many ways. Okay, what it is? If a power n is equals to b, then we will rewrite it like a is equals to b power 1 by n. Send this n to that side, it becomes 1 by n. With the same logic, send this 1 by b to the other side, it becomes 1 by 1 minus b. I have 10 is equals to 5 power 1 by 1 minus b. As I said, the problem is completely involved with the preparation of the required thing. Here I have 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b, but I have only 1 by a minus b. What I need? I need a plus b by 1 minus b. Since it is 1 by 1 minus b, I need to give a plus b as a multiplication. So you just apply power a plus b both sides. What I am doing is, for the next step, okay, 10 is equals to 5 power 1 by 1 minus b. Yeah, I do here. So that implies 10 to the power a plus b is equals to 5 to the power 1 by 1 minus b to the power a plus b. Is there anything wrong? Just have a look. I need 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b. For that requirement, I have this. So I just applied power a plus b both sides. So 10 power a plus b is equals to 5 power 1 by 1 minus b to the power a plus b. And now, in the next step, as we have a power m power n, a power mn, we need the multiplication of these two. That implies 5 power, just you multiply these two, m and n, if you multiply, you will get it as a plus b by 1 minus b, and that is equals to this part, which is 10 power a plus b. So 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b is equals to 10 power a plus b. I need to find this value, which is this 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b. That is equals to 10 power a plus b. This 10 power a plus b is simply nothing but 10 power a into 10 power b, again by the law of exponents. And as the given 10 power a value is 3, 10 power b value is 2, so this is equals to 3 into 2, and our value is 6 at the end. So finally, for this 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b, our answer is 6. There ends the problem. So for this type of problems, the problem requires the loss of exponents along with the logical ideas and logical approach. Okay, you need to solve the problem with the presence of mind. You need to pay attention on the given equations as well as the required one. And we need to prepare the required exponent from the given exponential equations, right? Initially I have this a plus b by 1 minus b, and I am just focusing on this 1 minus b. I prepared this 1 minus b first. So 10 as 5 power 1 by 1 minus b. After that, since I need 5 power a plus b by 1 minus b, I just applied power a plus b both sides. At that, our answer is 6. Just have a look. See, observe the problem, analyze it, the way, the plan, how we did it, and use the same approach and the plan to solve the first problem. Okay, just have a look, and if it is clear, then try to solve the 23rd C. Now 23C. This time for this problem here, 3 power a is given as 20, 10 power b is given as 3, and we need to find this value. What it is? 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus a. Again, just observe the problem first. 3 power a is given, 10 power b is given, and our requirement is this 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus a. As I said, these problems need all the laws of exponents along with your logical approach and a plan initially. See, and as per the part of the plan, we need to prepare this b plus 1 by 2 minus ab from the given equations. See, use these two to prepare that. So initially my concentration is on this 2 minus ab. I need to prepare this 2 minus ab. Okay, how can I prepare? I need what? 2 minus ab. Here 3 power a is given as 20, 10 power b is given as 3. Yeah, what to do? 10 power b is given as 3, right? I will start my discussion with this 10 power 3. Okay? Yeah. 10 power b is equals to 3. This is already given, okay? Given 10 power b is equals to 3. But my concentration is completely on 2 minus ab. And I just started with the second exponential equation. But first of all, my idea is to prepare 2 minus ab. Don't forget that. B is there. I need 2 minus ab. B is there, so we need a. So apply power a on both sides. 10 power b to the power a is equals to 3 power a. Since I need that a. Here a power m power n. So there is a chance to multiply these two. That implies 10 power ab is equals to, this side what I have? 3 power a. But 3 power a is given as 20, okay? 10 power ab is equals to 20. Okay. 10 power ab I have. ab is involved, but my requirement is 2 minus ab, not just ab. So since 10 power ab is 20, first of all I need 2 minus ab, so minus ab. Think about minus ab. So if 10 power ab is 20, then what you say about 10 power minus ab? I think you all know. If you apply minus for the power, it gets reciprocal, right? Okay. Otherwise, you just stop here, and then since we need 2 minus ab, consider that part. Consider 10 power 2 minus ab. 10 power 2 minus ab is simply nothing but 10 power 2 by 10 power ab as per the laws of exponents, a power m by a power n, and that is equals to 10 square is simply 100 and 10 power ab is 20. Okay, 100 divided by 20, which is equals to 5. So now finally what I have, that implies 10 power 2 minus ab is equals to 5. Okay, my wish is to prepare 2 minus ab. I have the 2 minus ab, but I need this 2 minus ab as a power of 5, and that too in the denominator. So as we discussed in the previous problem, send this 2 minus ab that side, we will get 10 is equals to 5 power 1 by 2 minus ab. Again, I need to find this 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus ab. I have 1 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus ab, but I need this b plus 1. So as I mentioned in the previous problem, here again you just apply power b plus 1 both sides. So that implies 10 to the power b plus 1 is equals to 5 to the power 1 by 2 minus ab to the power b plus 1. Okay, since these two are equal, you just apply power b plus 1. And now I need, see here a power m power n a power mn, the product which is b plus 1 by 2 minus ab. So our target is to find that. So this implies 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus ab is equals to 10 power b plus 1. See, just observe. See, everything is just magical. We can't expect actually. 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus ab is equals to 10 power b plus 1. I need this value. 10 power b plus 1 is simply nothing but what? 10 power b into 10 power 1. Okay? And that 10 power b is 3 into 10, which is equals to 3 into 10, and that is equals to 30. And then the value of this 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus ab is 30. Again, just observe the problem. These two are the given exponential relations. Using these two relations, our target is to find this 5 power b plus 1 by 2 minus ab, and for that I need to prepare this 2 minus ab. So first of all, I made 10 power ab as 20, then 10 power 2 minus ab as 5. After having this, you just send 2 minus ab that side. Since we need b plus 1 by 2 minus ab, apply power b plus 1 both sides. And then 5 power that b plus 1 by 2 minus ab is equals to 10 power b plus 1, and then our answer is 30. Just have a look. Look at the problem. Just think about the problem as we discussed the previous. For this problem, this time 60 power a is equals to 3 and 60 power b is equals to 5 are given exponential relations, and our target is to find this 12 power 1 minus a minus b by 2 power 1 minus b. Right. As I said, using these two exponential relations, we need to find out this value. That in the sense, we need to prepare this power. And initially, we need to pay our attention on this denominator 2 into 1 minus b, specifically on this 1 minus b. That is the thing. Okay? See, there are many ways to solve this type of problems. The best way is starting from the denominator. We need to make this complete fraction as a power. That's what we are discussing in this class. And now, see, our target is to find 1 minus b. So we need to start with what? Just as we discussed the 23b, I think so. We need to start our discussion with the 60 power 1 minus b. Because here 60 power b is given, I need 1 minus b. Just you have to observe this 1 minus b as well as 60 power b. So 60 power 1 minus b is equals to, by the laws of exponents, 60 power 1 by 60 power b. And since 60 power b is 5, this is equals to 60 by 5. So that is equals to 12. Right, very good. So 60 power 1 minus b is 12. Okay. So finally what we have from this, 60 power 1 minus b is equals to 12. Since I need 12 to the power this 1 by 1 minus b, you send this 1 minus b that side. So you will get that 60 is equals to 12 to the power 1 by 1 minus b. Okay. But what we need? We need this 1 minus a minus b by 1 minus b. As we did in the previous problems, now we need to apply power 1 minus a minus b both sides. Okay. So we need to apply power 1 minus a minus. So 60 to the power 1 minus a minus b is equals to 12 to the power 1 by 1 minus b to the power 1 minus a minus b. Just have a look. I am simply applying this power 1 minus a minus b both sides. And now, see, this side it is okay, and that side 12 power 1 minus a minus b by 1 minus b. Yeah. So this implies 12 to the power 1 minus a minus b by 1 minus b. Since we need to multiply these two using a power m power whole to the power n, a power m, okay? 12 to the power 1 minus a minus b by 1 minus b is equals to 60 to the power 1 minus a minus b. Right? Since we need to find this particular value, okay, you just rewrite that 60 power 1 minus a minus b. How to simplify? This is equals to 60 to the power 1 divided by 60 to the power a into 60 to the power b. Since here I have minus a and minus b, so you need to write like 60 power a and 60 power b, just as we mentioned in 23a. And now this is equals to 60 power 1 is 60, 60 power a, its value is given as 3, 60 power b, its value is given as 5. So 60 by 3 into 5, 15, and that is equals to 4. Is it right? So finally what we have? 12 to the power 1 minus a minus b divided by 1 minus b value, which is 4, and I mentioned it like 2 square. Actually 4, I mentioned it like 2 square. Why? Because here I need 1 minus a minus b by 2 into 1 minus b. Okay. So to make this 2 in the denominator, again I need to apply power 1 by 2 both sides. Now what will happen? 12 to the power 1 minus a minus b divided by 1 minus b, and this whole thing to the power 1 by 2 is equals to 2 square to the power 1 by 2. And see, again we need to multiply these two, right? If you multiply these two, that is the required part. So 12 to the power 1 minus a minus b by 2 into 1 minus b is equals to, this is 2, and at the end your answer is 2. We need to observe the problem. We need to analyze. Okay, the problem is very much simple, I think so. Actually this problem is asked in AMTI examination. I think you all know that, Association of Mathematics Teachers of India, an Olympiad examination. This question is asked in AMTI for 5th class students. Okay, AMTI for 5th class students, that too in level 1 examination. AMTI is conducted in 3 levels, and in level 1 examination of 5th class this question is asked. Okay, not for 7th, not for 6th, not for 8th. It is asked for 5th class students. That too, I think so, maybe in 2010 or 2011. In that year they asked, not in previous years. See, so this way of solving the problems from exponents is a very basic logical idea. It needs your attention. It needs your analyzation of the given exponential equations and the required thing. Okay, just have a look. So at the end your answer for the given problem is 2. Okay. Next 25th problem, you just consider it for your practice. Okay. I won't give you solution now. You just practice it. Here just only one exponential equation is given, 12 power a as 27, and our target is to find this 6 to the power 4 into 3 minus a by 3 plus a. Right. So we need to prepare this 3 minus a by 3 plus a from this 12 power a is equals to 27. And before going to solve this problem, first of all, try to understand and analyze all the previous 4 problems. If you are perfect at those 4, then start analyzing this problem. Easily you will get your answer. Okay? And that's it. That's for today's class.